Hey folks, Jack with Hamilton Realty Group at eXp Realty, and I'm coming to you with the newest edition of the Brunswick Beat. And today we are at Bella Point community. It's a DR Horton community, and we are honored to be with Nikki Mooney. Nikki is actually better known as the Irish DR Horton chick. And one of the cool things that Nikki always tells me about is, as a on-site specialist with DR Horton, they're actually also allowed to sell other communities. So you might want to share a little bit about that.
Yeah, I mean, we're able to help basically from anywhere from Bolivia to Jacksonville, which is amazing to have that reach. But even in just this little area that we're in right now in Bolivia, we have a lot of exciting things coming.
Yes, you do.
Rolling Hills is a beautiful community. They're going to have some different finishes than we have at Bella Point, more like cement poured siding, tile backsplash, pendant lighting ready to go and things like that. Really, really beautiful homes. We also have Mariner's Reach eventually that's going to start too. Lockwood Folly, Lockwood Landing, right next door to Lockwood Folly Park. There's gonna be a
I didn't know about that one.
Yeah, and it's amazing. That price range is going to be really, really amazing. Low to mid twos. Wow. Which is incredible.
Yep, that's really good.
Yeah, we really do have something for everyone and many, many options. Yep. And their whole, purpose is to make home ownership affordable for everyone. And I really think that they have achieved that in an amazing way. I have a lot of confidence working here. I feel like they put out a great product. They really stand behind it. And just seeing all of the communication that goes on behind the scenes and how they keep everything streamlined. Like, they built 90,000 homes in 2024.
Wow.
90,000 homes. Wow. That's crazy. And all of the building that they've done in the past 20 plus years has led them to be super efficient, to know exactly how to build a home, and that's why they're able to pass that saving on to a buyer. Yep.
They definitely fill a niche that's needed in the country for sure. So, well folks, there you have it. Bella Point here in Bolivia. And I appreciate you watching this version of the Brunswick Beat. And we hope to see you next time. You never know where you'll find us.